Welcome everybody to today's Bitcoin daily update, and let's get straight into it. As always, if you enjoy the content, please always like and subscribe. It will help support the channel. Thanks for that. So, Bitcoin. We do know we did break down of this very high time frame parallel channel. But what we want to know now is, why have we stopped here? What's the reasons behind it, and why this was a target of mine? Well, let's take off that. Quite simply, if we put on the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very low all the way down here at about just under 4,000, all the way up to the high about 69,000, we get the retracement right into the golden pocket. On a very high time frame, this is always going to act as a huge support, and indeed at the moment that's exactly what we've got. So we want to know what else, what other reasons have we got that we've bounced, and do we have support here? Well, take that off for a second. We also had this impulse down, and then we had this corrective pattern inside this parallel channel. Now, one of the targets we have, I'm just going to drop down to the daily for a second. When you have a parallel channel, one of the reasons when it breaks down like it did, one of the targets is if we just copy the channel and line it up, so basically doing two channels, so this is the exact same channel as that, just dropped in line with that, giving it a 1-to-1, then that also gives us a target level down here, which is absolutely hit it perfectly. That was also another target for us. And what else do we have? Well, I was trading from this Gartley pattern, which is a bearish pattern. What we have here is the 618 golden pocket for this pattern, which will be take profit 1. Take profit 1. You should always be taking profit along the way. Take profit 1. Take profit 2's target is the 1-to-1 extension of this. That's the 1-to-1 extension. Okay. So that's giving us another reason why this was a target. And then if we use the Fibonacci expansion from this low to this high, that gives us a target of 1.272. So we've got 4 confluences now, all down at this level, and that's why my target was down there. And this is why we get profits. You know, I was in a short from up there, a 40% profit. You know, if you do take time to study these things and stick to the plan, you know, the profits can be really, really good. So what we want to know is then what's happening now. So right now, we know what we'll do is we'll put on the Fibonacci high time frame 618. This is support, and our resistance. And I'm going to go down to a lower time frame for a second. So we don't know. We know we've got hit big support and we've got a bounce. But right now, this is the daily. This is resistance. We do have some liquidity sitting just up here. And this is all a support region. It's not a line. It's not just one. It's a support region, as you can see. Both these levels have been respected. We've got above this level. It came down there to the bottom of that parallel channel. But you know, we do not want to be looking for short positions down here. We're at big support. But what we do need to be aware of is that we're on a very strong downtrend, and this could continue down. It may just act as support temporarily. If this does break down, I do expect much lower prices. This is a very, very large time frame support level. And I think we'll call that a day for now. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks very much.